Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Verse has been quoted from Chaitanya Charitamrita. Yesterday we did little detailed discussion. Siddhanta baliya chittene kara alasa iya haite Krishna lagya sudhida manasa. There are similar verses also. What is the meaning here? Siddhanta, we should not avoid philosophy. There are a lot of people in Vrindavan. They call them Babajis. They don't do anything. All they do is sit below some cave in Govardhan. And if you say, this is a nice, wonderful book, Bhagavad Gita is there. These books are not for me. They don't read any literature given by acharyas, not interested. They don't preach. They want to remain in seclusion. And Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada wrote a book, Vaishnava K. बहुत अच्छा किताब लिखा है, देखा? Vaishnava K. कैसे वैष्णव हो तुम? Very wonderful book he has written. And in that book he is analyzing that actually it is not possible. In fact, after Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada, there is no Babaji Diksha in our Sampradaya. Before that it was there. Gaur Krishna Babaji. Then we have Jagannath Das Babaji. Correct? Actually, all of us, not only we need some kind of definitely great sadhana, and chief of the sadhana is chanting the Hare Krishna Harinam Maha Mantra. Correct? And for temple devotees, 6 hours sadhana is compulsory. Morning 4 hours, evening 2 hours. For congregation people, not possible that much. Correct? So at least the chanting is done. And that is the chief among all the sadhana. But still we need some engagement. Correct? Something we need to do. Presently our body and mind has certain proclivity, certain ability, and we need to engage it for some time in that. For a devotee who is in the temple, the fortune is he can use it directly to serve the Lord. Directly to serve the Lord. For somebody who is cannot be in that situation, but still, whatever he is engaged, just like in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Mam anusmara yuddhacha. Arjuna, you fight, but don't forget me. So whenever we do any engagement, it should be engagement done without forgetting Krishna. Not that engagement is such, it involves some sinful activity, drinking, smoking, some nonsense, then I'll forget Krishna. So I don't do that kind of engagement. Just we avoid such kind of engagement, which will make me forget the Lord. So, that is grossly. And even otherwise, just like we're engaged in chanting, it has to be attentively done. We're engaged in now cooking for the Lord. Again, we are thinking of the Lord. Correct? Or we are doing any activity. It's very important. Then mind is focused on Krishna. Then you do. It is done in proper consciousness. Then it is very wonderful. So this is one part of it, that engagement actually we need. Everybody should say, just like some engagement is there. Kuch kaam hai mere ko. Khali to man shaitan ka man. Alone, if I sit without engagement, watch movies, play games. No third thing anybody will do. I can write and sign karke I can give. Kisi ka shamta nahi hai na? Just sit alone. After that you get bored. Chalo, let me watch TV. Let me see some videos. Hai na? It's so dangerous actually. Very, very dangerous. We are committing spiritual suicide. अपना आत्महत्या कर रहे हैं जब बिना एंगेजमेंट के बैठते हैं. इट्स गुड फॉर आवर स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ. कुछ काम चाहिए मेरे को, कुछ काम चाहिए, नहीं तो अपना भक्ति नष्ट. Correct? We cannot destroy कर रहे हैं अपने आप को. Prabhupada used to say, पहले लोग शहर में आते थे गांव से और बहुत मुश्किल था क्या लो, समटाइम जॉब भी नहीं मिलता था. But still they used to go to somebody, कुछ काम दे दो मेरे को. I can't sit alone. खाली कैसे बैठ सकता है आदमी? खाली परमहंस बैठ सकता है आचार्य. Prabhupada used to say, please leave me alone. Because Prabhupada is in Samadhi on Krishna. I can write something. His heart is bubbling with. What is he writing? His heart is bubbling with love of Krishna. You want to share. For pure devotee, therefore, sannyasa also 4 stages there. Kutichaka, Bahutaka, Parivarkacharya, Paramhamsa. At Paramhamsa stage, what happens? He gives his danda also. He does not travel now. He just sits down. And because he has pleased Krishna, because Krishna को उन्होंने खुश कर दिया अपना जिंदगी में सेवा से, Krishna has conquered, he has conquered Krishna. Krishna is in his heart. उनके heart is bubbling with love of Krishna. He just wants to share with the world. He wants to preach. Agreed? For us, we have to be engaged. And engagement is actually a great mercy for us. Mercy. Great mercy for us. Therefore, when so many volunteers come to temple, Prabhu, some service is there. That's the best. Correct? Because engagement. He values engagement in service to Krishna. So this way, we should be developed. And then only, suppose somebody says, I will read whole day. You read. You cannot digest it. You will not be able to digest it. You cannot. There was some sannyasi in ISKCON, he said, you read for 5 hours. Prabhupada said, okay. Wow. You cannot digest. It's not correct. Correct? Why did he not allow? He said, be engaged. So we should have Shravana. Just like for Arjuna. It's not that he doesn't chant. Chanting should be there, but fighting also has to be there. He has to engage also himself. So we need to, actually for us, very, very important. We cannot just do Shravanam with some engagement. That makes mind very peaceful. Actually, if we have a day of good engagement, we also feel very happy. Correct? And mind is saved. Because if I am disengaged, the mind goes into unwanted things. The mind is saved. It's a very important principle. Then now coming to Siddhanta now. So as far as possible, Prabhupada said, as far as possible, because to understand Krishna is impossible. Krishna ko samajhna bahut mushkil hai. Bahut mushkil hai. How we can understand is sitting in our heart, smiling. How we can even conceive that. Our material logic, nothing works. Correct? So therefore I said yesterday I was developing 2 level hota hai Shravana. Siddhanta. First level Siddhanta, जिसके लिए प्रभुपाद जी ने BI बनाया, भक्ति वेदांत इंस्टीट्यूट. वो फर्स्ट लेवल सिद्धांत है. उसमें क्या है सिद्धांत में हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? वी आर ट्राइंग टू बाय लॉजिक, बाय रीजन, वी आर ट्राइंग टू प्रीच टू अदर पीपल. करेक्ट? दैट इज फर्स्ट लेवल सिद्धांत. Correct? And that is ABCD. We meet some new person, we say, you should come, chanting will be good, and actually we don't tell him much of Krishna consciousness. See, there is so much misery in this world, death is coming, something we throw at him. And we use logic, creation is there, don't you think there should be a creator? Consciousness is there, don't you think that has to come? Matter cannot produce consciousness. We are producing all, and we are negating all kind of foolish material arguments. They say accidentally from matter creation came. We negate that. Isn't it nonsense? We have no reason to believe such a thing. You say from an explosion creation came. From an explosion destruction comes, not creation. So at that point what we are doing is that we are actually using some logic and arguments. Correct? What are you doing? We are using some logic and arguments, and by logic and arguments, we are trying to convince the person. Okay? But actually, he has still not started spiritual life. It's not just like in first chapter in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is discussing with Arjuna, but there is no spiritual life there. There is more or less logic reason. This is BI. Prabhupada created an institute. The purpose of we also do BI many times, but it is not formalized now. The BI exists as the institute, doing wonderful work, but it doesn't have great strength. Actually, when all the universities, colleges, ISKCON should not go, BI should go. Nobody will object BI coming. Nobody will object BI to come. Because only scientists, big scientists. Bhaktivinoda Institute means, just like we have so many organizations, they have Bajrang Dal, RSS, BJP. They know it is one, but it's still different. You may allow BJP, you may not allow RSS. So similarly, nobody will object to BI. BI, they do conferences and all the top universities. Nobody objects. They don't talk about religion at all. They are creating a bridge. So in the beginning stages, we also, when we are doing BI only. We are also creating a bridge to anybody who comes. Correct? We talk to him. So you should try to understand it. Yeah, it's reasonable, it's logical. Just like you go to college and you kind of a bridge is there. Not that suddenly somebody said, I have some questions, reasonable questions. What is the placement of your college? Show me the record. Okay? You'll ask some questions before giving a child admission. Okay, I want to know how much fees I have to pay. He may ask, what are the rules and regulations the college has? He may go around, see the campus. So at that point, he has not taken admission. So similarly, not the whole life is spent in all this. Finally, we should take admission. So finally, we should take admission means we now start hearing submissively. Or in a college, we take admission. Then the classes start. Classes don't start before he takes admission. So previously also, if you want to learn spiritual knowledge, आपको गुरु दीक्षा के पहले ज्ञान नहीं देता. पहले सिस्टम है. आप कोई आश्रम में गए, आप बोलिए हमको गीता का ज्ञान दीजिए, अब दीक्षा लो. पहले दीक्षा लो, फिर ज्ञान. दीक्षा means you accept me as a guru and you will agree to obey me and follow some rules and regulations. Then I'll teach you. So that is how it was. But in ISKCON, actually now, as Prabhupada has enacted, from the day you enter, devotee, we are a preaching movement. That movement itself, they will start preaching to you. You should chant Hare Krishna, you try to understand Krishna Supreme Personality, you got it, correct? After the bridge is over, devotees start preaching. They don't wait for the formal Diksha. But Prabhupada said actually, Diksha is the day you start hearing. जब आप सुनना शुरू करते हैं, तब दीक्षा शुरू होती है. जिस दिन से. Formality, just like Prabhupada ji अपने गुरु को मिले थे, है ना? तो पहले there was a debate. That is BI, or that is a bridge. As an example, he said, why we have to spread the movement of Lord Chaitanya? Already we are under British rule. First, let us come out of that. Then Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada counter argument. Krishna conscious cannot wait for all this. It is urgent. It has to go everywhere. This politics. And what is the use of this? This country has become independent. You cannot teach Gita in this country. Prabhupada said, look at the joke. The book is a book of knowledge produced in the country. It's not a book of religion. That knowledge cannot be taught in the same area, the country where it is produced. जिस देश में ही वो नॉलेज आई वही नहीं बता सकते. आप सर्कुलर बना के बंद कर दिया, है ना? क्या फ़ायदा हुआ? तो भक्तिवेदांत प्रभुपाद जी को तो दिमाग बहुत तेज. तो अब वेट करने से क्या फ़ायदा होता? कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होता. उन्होंने तो वेट नहीं किया, वो तो शुरू हो गए. His guru's order and this thing. So Prabhupada argued, discussed, and Prabhupada said, I was defeated. So when you defeat person, everybody will have a reason argument. He will not be willing to take to Krishna consciousness. First we have to defeat him in his debate. Correct? Then preaching hota hai. Thus, Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtana. We have to win first the person's heart. Convince him by reason and argument. He said, yes. And then he says, now tell me who is Krishna. Now actually you have initiated him. His spiritual life has started now. Correct? Or you have become an instrument in Prabhupada's hand to initiate him. Now his spiritual life has started. Divya Jnana Hridaya Prakashito. Now Divya Jnana start. And उस समय आपकी जिंदगी में आध्यात्मिक खुशी शुरू हो गई थी. बहुत खो जाया था. फॉर्मल दीक्षा नहीं हुआ था, लेकिन अपना खुशी शुरू हो गया था. अभी देखो उनका फॉर्मल दीक्षा नहीं हुआ. माता जी का spiritual happiness started. It already happened. Now, just like Prabhupada ji, 11 साल later, for 11 years later, Shri Radha Govinda ki, 11 years later, he formalized it. He formalized it 11 years later by the formal thing. 1922, Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada ko Prabhupada ji mile the. 1933, he took the formal diksha. But he said, I accepted in my heart. You got it? Already accepted. Heart. So that is actually very, very important. That is the main principle is to, Prabhupada says, the initiation starts the day person start hearing. You got it? And now, because this is a alaukic process, this is a transcendental process. This is not a laukic process. Hearing, because this matter, the subject matter, this question was asked in, we were reading in the Bhagavatam, prayers by the personified Vedas. At that point, the Parikshit, the Aras asked this question, how is it that we are hearing so many things? Now we are covered by a mind which is material, which can only conceive material things. Eyes which can only see material things. Correct? Senses which can only hear, you can only hear material sound. You cannot hear spiritual sound from this ear. Tongue, everything is, we are bound and trapped. Senses are material. वो सेंसेस भौतिक हैं, खाली भौतिक चीज़ को अनुभव कर सकते हैं. मन भी भौतिक है, खाली भौतिक चीज़ को सोच सकता है, भौतिक तरीके से सोचता है. तो ऐसी बद्ध स्थिति में हम कैसे भगवान का दर्शन कर सकते हैं? ये आपकी भागवत से भी क्या मदद मिलेगा? यहाँ से क्वेश्चन. So the answer comes, this quoted, and the answer is actually that as we are hearing Krishna consciousness, Nitya Siddha Krishna Bhakta Sadhu ka banaya. आगे शमनादि शुद्ध चित्त करया उदया. करेक्ट? द आंसर ये है कि आत्मा हमेशा कृष्ण का भक्त है. आत्मा कभी कृष्ण को नहीं भूला है. अभी थोड़ा निद्रा में है, लेकिन शमनादि शुद्ध चित्त है. जैसे आप हरि नाम का जाप करते हो, उदया उड़ जाता है. करेक्ट? अलोज हो जाता है. तो इसलिए जब नाम जाप से आपका मन का शुद्धि होता है. ऐसे भी समझिए, जैसे एग्जाम्पल मैंने बहुत बार लिया, बल्ब को आप पेंट कर दें काले से तो उसका लाइट बाहर नहीं आता, लेकिन जैसे ही आपका पेंट निकला लाइट बाहर आ जाता है. तो जैसे ही आपका आत्मशुद्धि होता है, आपका भक्ति बाहर निकल आता है. तो जितना जो आध्यात्मिक जीवन है, शुद्धिकरण करना 24 घंटे में से 1 मिनट बर्बाद नहीं करना चाहिए. अब ऐसा नहीं है मैं उस प्लेटफॉर्म में हूँ, मैं भी टाइम बर्बाद करता हूँ, बट देखिए ड्यूटी है मेरा बताने का, और अपने लिए भी पवित्र हो रहे हैं सुन के कि कोई प्रभुपाद जी को बोला, प्रभुपाद जी आपको मैं टोटली सरेंडर करता हूँ. तो प्रभुपाद जी बोले शुरू करो. ऐसा नहीं है 1 second यू कैन टोटली सरेंडर. करेक्ट? बट द प्रिंसिपल इज 1 second वी शुड नॉट वेस्ट. एंड वो मध्यमाधिकारी के लक्षण है. अव्यर्थ कालत्वम. एक्चुअली ब्राह्मण दीक्षा तक आदमी मध्यमाधिकारी बन जाना चाहिए. और मध्यमाधिकारी के क्या लक्षण है? थ्रेट से नहीं होता ब्राह्मण. अव्यर्थ 1 second बर्बाद नहीं करता वो. 1 second बर्बाद नहीं करता. उसको बोलो कुछ ज्ञान में कहता, पता है उधर ये लोग ये बोल रहे थे, मेरे को इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. क्यों इंटरेस्ट है आपको? आपको धन बनाना है. ब्राह्मण को कभी भी ग्राम्य कथा में कोई इंटरेस्ट, उसको ब्रह्म जानते थी ब्राह्मण, उसको कृष्ण की बात करो बहुत खुशी है. वैश्य क्षत्रिय को इंटरेस्ट होता है, बिकॉज उसको पैसा बनाना है, पावर चाहिए, उसको बहुत इंटरेस्ट. ओ उसने पैसा बनाया. ब्राह्मण को क्या इंटरेस्ट है उससे, है ना? वो बहुत शक्तिशाली बन गया, मेरे को क्या करना है उससे? नहीं इलेक्शन में वो जीतेगा, मेरे को क्या करना है उससे? ब्राह्मण इन चीज़ों से बिल्कुल बाहर रहता है. करेक्ट? बिल्कुल बाहर रहता है. बस 6 काम है उसके बाद, 7वां काम नहीं है उसके बाद. ग्राम कथा न सुने में क्या बोला था चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने? हाँ, वो रूम में लगा दो, बड़ा बड़ा सबका रूम है. हाँ, फिर उसके बाद हाँ, ग्राम कथा न सुनिवे, देन ना, उसके बाद भी है भालो ना. हाँ देखो, भालो ना खावे बोला है. हाँ, फिर माहूबा पहने पे. हाँ, you know the meaning? ग्राम कथा ना सुनिवे, बिकॉज वॉट यू हियर यू विल टॉक. सी, जो सुनेंगे आपका मन भी वही सोचेगा. क्या कृष्ण का स्मरण करोगे जब ग्राम कथा मन में भरा रहेगा, है ना? तो भाई लोग क्या है, व्हाट पीपल थिंक अबाउट अस. ड्रेस पहने, पीपल थिंक हम कृष्ण के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, है ना? तो वी शुड रीड अबाउट कृष्ण. पाठन पाठन. हमसे लोग थोड़ी पॉलिटिक्स सुनने आते हैं, हमसे लोग कृष्ण कथा सुनने आते हैं, है ना? फॉर दैट दे गो समवेयर एल्स. सो ग्राम कथा ना सुनी हुए, ग्राम कथा ना बोली हुए. तो ऑर्डिनरी विलेज टॉक वी शुड नॉट टॉक. पता है उसका बच्चा हो गया, वो आदमी ना बड़ा हो गया, उसका ये हो गया, व्हाट वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट. ग्राम कथा ना बोली हुए. व्हेन यू आर नॉट हियरिंग यू विल नॉट टॉक. व्हेन यू हियर देन ओनली यू टॉक. देन उसके बाद भालो ना खाइबे. So don't eat very palatable food stuff, because that will, see, suppose you sit a sannyasi sitting and he has 20 items, all pakwans, means, you know, what vairagya is he having? He should eat simple. Prabhupada said brahmachari को simple खाना चाहिए. और उसके बाद एक और लाइन है क्या? भालो ना पाइबे. We should not be very keen to wear attractive clothes, correct? Because all the time meditation, oh, we see, you know, there are no limit to. I think nowadays maximum selling on the internet is this, what do you say, fashion, है ना? So many people don't go to shops. They just sitting at their place, they can click and get any clothes. So we should not be very keen on that. This all meditation should go with. Then it will be easy for us, okay, to focus and try to understand. Patan. There was sannyasi which I had asked him how to remain a good devotee, a good brahmachari. He said you should have every day a challenge. So we can have a challenge. Today I'll remember one shloka which I never could cram. One challenge, no? Some accomplishment should be there which is impossible generally to do. I can't remember shlokas. Okay, today I'll remember first shloka of Bhagavatam. Something. I take a challenge and I remember. Something. You give a challenge, अपने लिए कुछ challenge रखो, daily कुछ नहीं है तो चलो यार कुछ श्लोक याद कर लेते, चलो खा लिए. Or, you understand? Try to have some challenging engagement, some adventure. Whatever we do, chalo, we have to find a way that we can convince so many people to surrender to Krishna. Correct? That's a challenge. Take some challenge. हाँ भक्ति लड्डू को सब बीच में पानी डालने का ना, श्रवण कीर्तन का. ग्राम कथा डालोगे तो सड़ जाएगा. श्रवण कीर्तन, किसका श्रवण कीर्तन? श्रवण कीर्तनम विष्णु का श्रवण कीर्तन. His name is Namashaya. He has collected shlokas of namas. याद करो सारे. There is a book, Nectar of the Holy Name. बहुत अच्छे collection है उसमें. ठीक है. So नाम आश्रय. If you take the shelter of the holy name, all the papas will be washed. So to some extent, we should try to understand about Krishna as much Shastra explain, not more than that. Don't speculate more than that. As the Shastra say, Lord is situated in the core of your heart. That much. More you cannot understand. You say, no, I want to see how is he stand. You cannot understand. Don't try to understand that. Isn't he getting tired standing? He does not get tired standing. Shastra says it does not blink the eye also. He is looking at you very attentively. Just imagine, sometimes it happens. 100 people are looking at you. You get so conscious, you even drop things. You get nervous. Actually, we should be nervous because Lord is looking at you. We should be very, बहुत cautious. भगवान देख रहे हैं बहुत अटेंशन से, क्या कर रहे हो, क्या सोच रहे हो, क्या मोबाइल में चला रहे हो, भगवान ऐसे देख रहे हैं एक सेकंड, और फिर सोच रहे हैं इसका क्या किया जाए. ठीक है ना? He is thinking what to do. So if he can live up and give victory to Krishna, Krishna is very pleased. Every moment we choose Krishna is a victory celebration, because Krishna knows he is quickly coming back home. और ग्राम कथा में इतना इंटरेस्ट है, चलो बैठो उधर, बैठो इधर ही बैठो, दुनिया में ही बैठो. Because छोटा सा भी डिजायर है, you will not go back to Krishna. Prabhupada says, don't think आप हरि नाम जाप करोगे वैकुंठ चला जाओगे, कभी नहीं सोचना. बिकॉज भरत महाराज को कंसेशन नहीं मिला था. छोटा सा गलती किया था भारत महाराज ने, कोई पाप नहीं किया था. He didn't do any papa. He just developed some affection for a deer and he had to stay here. True? So Prabhupada says, ध्यान रखना. We should no, कोई कंसेशन नहीं है. 100% स्मॉलेस्ट ऑफ मेटेरियल डिजायर, एक छोटा भी भौतिक इच्छा रहेगी, यहाँ रहोगे तो ऐसा होगा कि मृत्यु के समय कुछ चमत्कार होगा. कुछ नहीं, हर क्षण चमत्कार होता है. आप फॉलो करो. अगर आप फॉलो कर रहे हैं, हर दिन चमत्कार होगा. हर दिन आपका दिल पवित्र होता चला जाएगा और बड़ा बड़ा जो अनर्थ है, अनवांटेड थिंग्स विल बी रिलीव्ड, और आपको खुशी का अनुभव होगा. ठीक है? और भगवत धाम जाने का आपको उत्साह मिलता रहेगा, बढ़ता रहेगा. बिकॉज यू आर एडवांसिंग. What you were yesterday, you can't even look at them. My God, what kind of person I was yesterday. That is advancement. जैसा आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, what a fool I was yesterday. Now I understood so many things. So similarly, spiritual understanding also improves. ठीक है? And basic spiritual improvement is not only academic knowledge, attraction. It becomes sweeter and sweeter. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki, Gau Premanande.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna.